a pretty neat tree. Ponderous pine. You can tell by the way it looks and the way it just is. And a bird. Bird. Shh. Shh. You gotta be real quiet. Sometimes if you start birds, they'll fly away. Look at its existence. It's a pretty neat bird.
Wait, that's pretty neat.
I'll communicate with it. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Oh my God, bear! Fire! You lost it, boy.
No, he's right there! Run!
What are you running from? You're psycho.
Oh, never mind. That was just a bird again.
Sometimes when you're alone in nature, you gotta conquer some obstacles. Right for this. I wanna fail. Oh, this is a standard Christmas tree. What some people don't know is they grow all year round. Pretty neat. And I mean, you know, they don't just grow when Santa's here. Pretty neat, huh? Hey guys, come over here. Conquer the obstacle. Come here, guys. Hey, look, it's tree poo. The early settlers.
We used to always say when we were kids, if we used to step in this, we used to be like, "Oh, you stepped in tree poop!" Or I got tree poop on my Tootsie.
Oh, yeah. It wasn't until 1994 till scientists proved that these were pumpkins. It's pretty neat. Huh?
Okay. Come over here, guys.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to signal the animals.
What's that gonna? That's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Maybe God will make some noises.
Remember. Get on your hands in.
Maybe God put your noises. I guess there's none out here. There's a bear! Stop!
Dandelion.
Here's a dandelion.
Last one of the season.
I used to use these to make tattoos. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
What'd you make?
I made a blob.
Oh, kind of looks like a blob. Look at how beautiful this view is of nature.
Pretty neat nature. Nature's pretty neat. A lot of people don't know. Nature's out here all year round. Yeah.
Nature doesn't only come when Santa's here.
Yeah.